Okay, guys, the breadcrumbs are at the top. The subject matter is below it. Subject matter is challenge. Precision angle, vertical knee mill using a lathe compound sine bar. Alright? Let me get you. Hang on. Alright. Here's what we got. It almost reads exactly the same. We're issuing a challenge. Not to a guy down the street, not to a guy in the next city. This challenge is to everybody on planet Earth. You know that sphere that revolves? We're all stuck to it. Alright, planet Earth. Read this in red. Precision spindle angle, vertical knee mill. When you're going to set your spindle on a vertical knee mill on a precise angle, that's what we're talking about. Alright? You see down here, we sell this product called lathe compound sine bar. Our challenge, make no mistake about it, it's about angles on a spindle. You can't do it any faster, and you can't do it any more accurate. That is the challenge, all right? All right, let me get you over here, and I'll demonstrate what I'm going to do. Here's a visual. You see this? I'm showing you a milling machine table. I'm showing you a quill. I picked an angle, 12.436 degrees, right? An arbitrary angle, not an even number. Even numbers are for sissies. This is for the hardcore, the guys that really know their shit. Alright? Alright, now let me tell you let me explain to you what's going on here. I'm going to assume that you've trammed the head in on your vertical knee mill so that the spindle is perpendicular, plumb, square, whatever you want to call it. It's on the money, alright? Then I'm assuming you got a vertical milling machine table and you stoned it and it's nice and flat, right? Now your objective is to tip that quill to 12.436 degrees. I'm going to show you how easy that is with our lathe compound sine bar. Let's start here. See this on the left? 6x6 angle block. Where I come from, we call them a knee. You can call them an angle block. What I'm telling you is, this is a 6x6, a qualified angle block, right? That means it's dead square and parallel, right? No matter how you lay it down, it's square and parallel. That's what you gotta have, otherwise you'll never get an accurate angle. Alright, see this thing? That's the compound sine bar. You see it? Alright. How long would it take you to put, take you to put that block on the table, put this compound sine bar on it, right? You see where the mouse is? 1, 2, 3. Those are rare earth magnets. They're powerful as hell, okay? So you put that on there. Over here, I'm showing an adjustable parallel. You see it? You set the adjustable parallel to the stack height. The stack height is set on any sine bar. This is a sine bar like any other, all right? The configuration is a little different, but it's a sine bar, okay? So here's what you're gonna do. Set your adjustable parallel, put your magnetic sine bar against the knee. This has a nice and square dead plumb to the table, you see it? Push the the pin up against the bar right there where the mouse is, and push the pin against the adjustable parallel. You push it in so they're both touching when you let it go, that that adjustable parallel will not fall, and you understand that sucker's on there. Now, what you're gonna do is, well, I'm talking about no tools. You're gonna put this on a table by hand, and you're gonna move it around the table by hand. All right? You see this quill? What you're gonna do with the quill is you're gonna snug it up so you can turn it left or right. All right? In this case, I'd call that right, anyways. You set it's got a graduated dial. You set the quill or the spindle, however you define it. You set it at 12.5 degrees and it's snug, all right? And you bring it up against the sign bar. You do this. You give it one of these numbers. Up and down like this. Turning the worm wheel until you get this indicator right here to run dead parallel to the top of that sign bar. You see it right there? Then you lock it up and double check it. All right, let me show you how you put this on the table, because you might wonder, well, by hand I might do X, Y, and Z. Pay attention. All right? Over here, I'm showing you that 6x6 knee. Side view where the mouse is. Front view, the way it is here. The invisible lines show this gusset in the back. And I'm showing the sign bar, right? I'm going to put the sign bar on the top because it's easier for me. I'm not going to put it on the side, okay? All right, I'm taking this sign bar, going to put it on the top. Okay, that's the front view. You see the sign bar on the top? This top line is parallel to the bottom. This sign bar at the top is parallel also. Alright? Why did I put it up there? Because it's easier for me. I should have put it on the side. But let me see it. Now, here we go. Side view, front view. This is the top view. You see this? Alright? Let's look at it from the top. Let me show you this. I put the sign bar on the top. It's easy to view. Let me move this out of the way so you can see it. You can see the pin. See the pin? This is the sign bar here. Right here. Alright? You see it? 2 pins, 4 inches apart. Why is that? Because it's a 4-inch sign bar. Ain't I hot? I put it on the top just so you'd see, because it was easy for me. Now, you got that on there. I'm going to show you how to put it on the table, okay? And it'll take you just about as long as it takes me. You see that up there? That's a machinist square. We call them a beam square. I don't know what the hell you call them. You can use what do you call it? Combination square. You use anything you want. It's not that critical. All right. I'm going to drop that on the milling machine table. This visual will make sense to you in a minute. Put the beam square on the side of the table. That line of the beam square is square to the table. Much close enough. Now I'm going to put the top view on that table to show you how you're going to do it by hand. Alright, now you see it's up there? You're going to be holding this square by hand against the side, and then by hand you're going to move this over. Alright? Hang on. I'll do it in 3 increments. Okay? You'll move it over by hand. You see it? Once that touches, right? Here's your sign bar right here. You see it? You can remove this square. You leave that on the table nice and square, right? And then you dial your spindle over with the indicator touching the sign bar, right? Up and down like I showed you over there. Alright? How long is it going to take to put that on the table, put the square on? Come on, man. About as long as it took me, alright? Alright? Let's go back and review it. You're going to stick that on the table by hand with a square. Oh, I forgot to mention, there's a dial indicator here, obviously, right? Now, this is going to be over here away. It's going to be square to the table. You're going to dial the table over till the indicator touches, obviously, all right? You tell me that ain't Mickey Mouse and that ain't fast. And I'll tell you you're full of crap. What I want to know is, if somebody's got a better way of doing it, lay it on me, because I want to know it. I can't think of... I watched about 1 million YouTube videos. All I saw was complicated. If somebody's got an easier way than this, alright, lay it on me. I'm all about it. See ya. Well, like it says, thanks for watching. Like they say in Italy, hasta la pasta, baby.